welcome to Stop, Drop, and Breathe on Fridays. I'm Lisa. Hey, everybody. All right. So, we did it. We worked our way up to the 7th chakra. Look, I've got my stars here because we're going to connect to the universal light, to the universal source energy. That is exactly what the 7th chakra is all about. So, welcome. If you're joining me, I would love to just quickly talk 2 seconds about this beautiful energy of the 7th chakra. So it's the crown chakra. It's located right here at the top of your head. And we've been working our way up. And the word chakra means wheel. So in Sanskrit, if the wheels are open, hi everybody, if the wheels are open and turning and your energy is flowing, that means you have access to all of the capacity of each of those energy centers. And each one has such a powerful way of relating to different organs, relating to your emotions, your physical, your spiritual, and your emotional capacity and your ability to move through life. So this one's really special. I love this one. It's the color white. It's light energy. And when I was being trained in breathwork, it's really important that you work your way up. You ground down so you can root up, because the tree, as it grows and gets bigger, it has to have the equal amount down. So this is so exciting to be at the top now, where we get to really start imagining. Hi, Evelitza. Hi, Verna. We get to start imagining what is next. How big can our tree grow? Growing up into the space available to us. It's so awesome. So this is also connecting to divine energy. So I love to say this, the universe will always have your back. It will always help you out, kind of like a catalog. You can place an order, but you have to make the first move. And one of the things that I feel really connected to that can be a first move is asking. The art of asking, that can be so powerful. So if you're here, you can put into the comments, one of the most powerful prayers of asking is literally help me. Help me find the most magical XYZ. Help me find the perfect restaurant for tonight to take my friends to. It can be anything. It doesn't always have to be deep. So what is it that you would like help with right now? Help me land this client next week. Help me fill my program. Help me manifest $20,000. Help me connect with the love of my life. Ask. The answers are always in the questions, so you must ask. And then you're attuned to being able to see the keys and the nuggets as they come towards you in life. All right? So if you're here joining me in any of these chats that I'm on, multi-platforming it today, what is it that you need help with? Ask. So you can put it in the phrase of help me, or it could just be I am asking for. So I know for me is that help me find my most amazing team members to build Metamorfize. Yes, I asked, there it is. And you know what? I just hired someone yesterday. And so we're growing. All right, so we're going to get started with some I am divine energy, with I am connected to source. And we're going to use our breath and our body to do this. So let me see. And what's also really powerful about this energy with what's going on in this whole world right now is just that it's about oneness. It's about the fact that we're connecting to the oneness and the source. And just as separate as we are also one. So today is about integrating the oneness within ourselves so we can be strong to help others, to be out there with your mission. All right? So let's just get up. Help me find the perfect restaurant today. Yeah, Berna, there you go. You can ask and something will pop up. All right, so we've got We're just going to be grounding, just standing up and just moving your body. And bring breath in from the bottom, and we're going to be moving it up. And then the next song, we're going to raise it up. So we're just going to kind of reinforce all that we have opened up. So you're just going to start to sway and breathe in and out through your mouth. It's going to look and sound something like this. Breathe it up. Breathe it down. Just getting into your feet right now. Just really rooting down before we rise up into that universal space of oneness, which is infinite possibilities. Just keep breathing. Expanding in your chest and in your heart. We're going to be breathing deep and long breaths in today. So just stay with the breath. Even when I'm talking, you're breathing in. Inhaling. Exhaling. Slowly, we're going to start bringing it higher and higher. Inhale. Feel your feet grounded, planted, rooted, ready to grow, ready to take on what's next. Feel strong, because here we go. Inhale. Taking up space. Full body breath. Allowing your arms to start moving. Hi to everyone who's joining us. We're taking inhales in through our mouth, exhaling out through our mouth. We're breathing into our bodies and about to blast off into crown chakra energy. Right now, we're just making sure we're rooted down. Thank you for being here. Inhale. And we're also sharing our prayers, our help me. What do you need help to ask the universe for? Allow your body to start moving. These are our tree branches. We're going up. Get it. Help me. Help me. Help me. Yes, I am divine. Help me. Help me. I am divine. Breathe it up. Look up. You're connecting up to the source. Trusting. Connected. You are the divine. Same energy. We're all connected. We're all one. Pull it in. Touch your head. Stay connected with the top of your head. Just patting your head. Imagining the white light coming in through the top of your head. Some like to see it as a golden light. I love white, so I'm going to see it as a white light. It can be any color. We're not doing colors these days. Light is light. Bright lights. Beautiful lights. Inhaling through the top of your head, allowing the light to come in, moving down. Inhaling, pulling it back up, seeing it, exiting the top of your head. Deep inhales. Exhales. Closing your eyes, going in. Really allowing the energy to move through you, Just trust the breath. This is such an important energy center of trust. Trusting yourself, trusting the universe always has your back. Because faith and fear, they both demand you to see something you can't see, to believe in something that you can't see. Faith and fear demand you to believe in something you can't see. You might as well pick faith. Faith is here, that you're always being taken care of, that you're always going to have available to you exactly what you need. Inhaling. You stay with your own rhythm, deepening the inhales. See how your body wants to move as we transition even deeper. Also, this is about trusting how your body wants to move, so you're out of your mind and into your body. We all need to move differently through life. Inhaling, just stay breathing. One of my favorite ways is just to close my eyes and be in an open, receptive position. Arms out in front, out like this, and you are just allowing yourself to receive. Inhaling. So we're going to just empty out all the breath on your next exhale. Hold it at the bottom. Taking a deep breath in. Inhale, take a little bit more. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Exhale, all of it out. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. Just a little bit more at the top. Sip it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Exhale it all out. Exhale it all out. All of it. Just when you get to the bottom, a little more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. If you are standing and you'd like to sit down, you can find a seat. We're going to take that, whatever opened for you just now. That is one of my favorite things to do. Holding it at the top, holding it at the bottom. So we're just going to melt in, trusting the crown chakra. Inhaling. Really focusing on the top of your head. See the breath, the life, the energy coming down in, moving through your whole body, going back out, flowing beautifully, effortlessly. With ease, you are at peace. I am at peace. I am divine. I love and accept myself. Breathe in the quality of loving and accepting yourself. Inhaling it all in as truth. Exhaling it out as truth. Inhaling that I listen to the wisdom of the universe. Hey babes, listening inward to the universe messages, because once you've asked, you can listen, because the answers are always all around us. Inhaling, I am divine. Exhaling out, believing, trusting each of these affirmations as truth, infusing your system. This is a powerful energy. Today is a new moon tonight. Tomorrow is the summer solstice, and Sunday is the solar eclipse. We have a trifecta of energy right now working for you to create and manifest your best self, for you to take this time and ask for what it is that you want. Get as clear as possible. Breathe it in and breathe it out. The reason why we take these deep breaths through our mouth is we expand our capacity to receive more, or whatever's next, or deepening your ability for whatever, your capacity for more. Ask and you shall receive, taking aligned action. Realize, visualize, actualize, so you can metamorphize. That's my science of change process. I happen to actually have a 4-day self-mastery training coming up. I'll post the link in this and all of these. The science of change.life. Breathe in that you are the creator of your life. Focusing on your crown chakra. I am the creator of my life. I have a choice. I trust myself. I trust my ability to hear what is feeling right for me. I am divine. I love and accept myself. Stay with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Opening your heart, opening your love for yourself and the world. We need as much love permeating out from us, emanating out as we possibly can right now. Love, love, love. I love you. You are amazing. Keep breathing deep. Open up to whatever is next for you. You are amazing. You are powerful. And you can create whatever you want for yourself in your life. You got to realize, visualize, actualize so you can metamorphize. The science of change.life if you want to do the 4-day training that I have coming up, teaching you my favorite manifesting techniques, including some more breath work. All right. One love, everybody. One love. We're starting up again. Bye. See you next Friday. Bye, Facebook. See you next Friday. Berna, I love and accept you too.